Dear students, now I want to discuss JEE Main 2025 Phase 1 question, which is from Solutions lesson. 30 grams HNO3 is added to a solution to prepare 75 percentage weight by weight solution having density 1.25 gram per ml. Volume of solution is. Here percentage by mass provided, density provided. From that we can calculate molarity. Now we can write like molarity M1 equal to, so we can take this part 75 percentage weight by weight solution having density 1.25 gram per ml. So this word we can take. So now percentage by mass given, density given, from that we can calculate molarity. So molarity equal to percentage by mass or percentage weight by weight into density into 10 by gram molecular weight of solute. Now percentage by mass, how much given? 75 percentage into density 1.25 into 10 and HNO3 gram molecular weight 73. If we calculate, if we simplify, we will get 14.88 molar. Now this is M1. Now we can take first part, 30 gram HNO3 is added to a solution to prepare this 75 percentage by mass solution having density 1.25 gram per ml. So 30 grams HNO3 is added to a solution to prepare. Means M1 V1 equal to M2 V2 formula we can use. M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. So then M1 14.88 molar into volume, we can take 1 liter. That is not given now, so we can assume up to 1 liter solution, 1 liter. So that is equal to M2. M2 means 30 gram HNO3. So weight by gram molecular weight 63 into 1000 by volume of solution in ml. So this is molarity into volume V2. V2 also not given now, we can assume for 1 liter. Understood how to solve this problem? So M1 V1 equal to M2 V2, M1 V1, that V1 we can assume 1 liter, V2 also we can assume 1 liter. So now this volume of solution we need to find out. Then volume of solution in ml equal to 30 into 1000, 30,000 by 63 into 14.88. We will get, if we simplify this one, we will get 32 ml, 32 milliliter. This is the volume of solution. So then what is the answer? 32 ml. Which option is the right answer? Option 1 is right answer. 32 ml. This is the process. From the given percentage by mass and density, we can calculate molarity M1. So 30 gram HNO3 is added to a solution to prepare 75 percentage by mass solution having density 1.25 gram per ml. So then we can use this stock dilute solution formula, stock solution dilute solution formula. That formula we can use M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. M1, so 14.88 molar we can use. Volume, so 1 liter we can take. We don't know now, so total volume we can assume 1 liter. So V2 also 1 liter we can assume. So M2 formula molarity, weight by gram molecular weight 33 grams, gram molecular weight 63, 1000 by volume of solution ml. So that volume of solution in ml we will get 32 ml. So this is the process, this is the solution. So I hope everyone understood the solution. Thank you so much.